Okay, and then my next step is to take away and remove and disassemble this throttle body. And what I need to do first is, in here there is connector and then bolts and those coolant hoses. And I start my job in this electric connector, what is in there, and there is idea that I have to press that side in here and then pull out this trigger. Now I press that and then with the movement and then now it opens. And there is a trick that this part in here I have to press. This is this idea. Okay, now this part is ready, and then next part is those hoses in here, and I take my tongs next. Okay, and now when I am taking out this radiator and especially this throttle bodies hoses, I need to take also out these radiator cables, and for that job I need that kind of tongs that I can open first this clamp in here in that way, and then a little bit movement, and now this hose is free. And then next part is to open this clamp, that clamp also in here, and for that purpose let's open. Can I take that using this one? Yes, this is possible. Actually, I need now a little bit bigger tongs. And before of that, I think that there is 1-2 bolts that I take this support frame away, and for that job I need 12 mm socket, and I insert that in here. And then I open those. Okay, good. Bolts are free. Let's go to look those. They are in here. That one. And then that one. Look, they are bolts like that. And I insert my bolts in here. And now this frame moves easier. And it is good. And then I can take my better tongs. Okay, and there is this position, and let's look at how I manage to move. Now I move that in here, and then I take my hand, but it is stuck, and that's I take my tongs, and I a little bit rotate that in this way, and then this part forwards. Okay, and now this hose is free. Excellent. Okay, and then I take these 2 hoses away, and I little bit take better view in here. Okay, and here is this my target. There is this my tongs. And I move the cable in here, and then little bit movement, and I can use this little bit bigger tong. Okay, now it moves, and then that one is free, and then the second in here. Second, and then I move it in here. And then this is also stuck, but when I take my tongs And I a little bit move that. Now this is also free. Excellent. And now these cables are free. And then I have next step. Okay, and then there is 1, 2, 3, 4 those 10mm bolts, and I need this 10mm socket. And I change my this socket in here, and opening direction is that. Here is first one, nut, and second. This is bigger bolt, and then in that one there is that bolt, and final and there is final bolt. Good. Okay, and now this throttle body, it might move now. Yes. And in that way, now I have take out this throttle body, and here it is. And then we can also look in here inner area what it looks like. There is this metallic net in there, and there is gasket. And then remember that there is no any dirties. That dirties don't go in here. This area must be clean. And that area in here, there is gasket in this outer area. Now I am checking that there is no any leaks in there. Excellent. Okay.